Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm with the Dino-Lite Scopes, and I am a technical consultant for the company. Here we're looking at our new USB 3.0 models that can connect directly to your computer. We also have TV models that can connect directly to your TV or monitor. These are going to give you a faster frame rate, better picture quality overall, crisper, sharper images, built-in polarization to control glare. We have a stacking feature that allows you to stack multiple pictures together for a greater depth of field. We also have models that can connect to your iPad or iPhone for mobile solutions. Software is included, 2-year warranty. This is the original Dino-Lite, patented design. We also pride ourselves on our customer service, free tech support for the life of the scope, 30-day money-back guarantee. You can find out more information on our website at www.dinolite.us.